179 for a night. Let's check the budget option. Today we're heading to London for a Data Cloud Summit. The Data Cloud Summit is organized by Salesforce, and since I am one of the solution architects for Data Cloud, I'm invited to go to London and attend this. I'm waiting for my buddy Nick, and I haven't seen or heard from him yet. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Our flight is going to board in about an hour-ish. We fly to London together. So let's go. The flight is going to start boarding in about 30 minutes, and there's still no sign of Nick. I've got some coffee, not sponsored by the way, wish I was. So I might as well get some work done before he arrives. I found Nick! Woo! Landing, but we're safe. The original flight was cancelled, so we're about an hour late. We should be fine. Lunchtime with Robert and Nick. Hold that thought. So the funniest thing happened while I was editing this vlog. I actually got invited to another trip, and again in London. So I'm back, or I'm still here if looking at the timeline from this vlog. 3 important items of the Data Cloud Summit. 1, we got a better insight on how to position Data Cloud at our customers. 2, we learned to identify feasible use cases and evaluate and contrast a good solution fit for Data Cloud. 3, we now understand better how Salesforce shows up against the competition. So very useful session and all. So now it's about 9:30 in the evening. In about 12 hours, the new workshop starts. So I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Early the next morning.
Good morning. We're having breakfast, and then we're heading out to this Salesforce event. Whenever possible, I always try to take the stairs to watch where I'm going, though, because it's a lot healthier. We're sitting down a lot when working, so yeah, it's better overall. They sometimes say luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. I say when you travel to the UK, you bring an umbrella. I usually take the stairs when I go visit a client, but this is a little bit too much. Look. finishing off with a little bit of a conclusion here. So we've got the workshop that we've had, which was about two different parts. The first part was about generative AI, which is specifically for Salesforce Service GPT and Sales GPT. What do these two things do? They make the life of a service agent a lot easier because it generates the responses for you automatically, so you don't have to type them all out anymore. The second part was about Data Cloud. It was a session that was a little bit short and not that in-depth as the workshop at the start of this vlog, so the Data Cloud Partner Summit. A lot of the questions coming from the audience were very basic, but very useful nonetheless to do a little bit of networking and see a lot of people working in this sector. Now, if you have absolutely no clue what I'm talking about, then please look at the links in the description below. That will help you out with getting started and getting to know Data Cloud and generative AI from a Salesforce perspective. If you have found this video useful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.